The next question. Assalamu alaikum. I am from Kashmir. My question is it halal to earn money from YouTube by creating our own channel? Starting a YouTube channel, it is easy. Also, starting a YouTube channel that is halal, it is easy. But we have to see to it that it is within the purviews of the Islamic Sharia. We should not break any rules of the Islamic Sharia. And coming to a question regarding earning money through YouTube. Earning money through YouTube, it is very easy if your channel is popular. Earning halal money through YouTube, it is very difficult because you have to abstain from everything that is haram. And one of the main ways of earning money through YouTube, it is through the ads. And you have profit sharing along with YouTube. Sometimes 60% goes to YouTube, 40% to the user, sometimes 50-50, depending upon the popularity of the person and depending upon the popularity of the channel. So if you start a YouTube channel, the ads that come on that channel, it should be halal. It should not involve in anything that is haram. More than 95% of the ads on YouTube, they involve something that is haram. They will either have women without hijab or they have music. So you should abstain from all the things that are haram, and especially these two things, because majority of the ads, they have either women without hijab or they have music. So you can very well start a YouTube channel. You can even earn money through YouTube, but you have to see to it that it is through halal means. It does not involve anything that is haram. And social media, whether it be YouTube, whether it be Facebook, it can be used for conveying the message of Islam. You can reach thousands of people. So you should use this social media, the various social media platforms, to convey the message of Islam to the non-Muslims, to those who are unaware of it. And if your niyyah is to start this YouTube channel to serve the deen, inshallah you will be rewarded.